Welcome back to Tasteful Staging, and today we're going to show you how to do a floor stencil. First step, we're going to go ahead and we've already acid washed everything, and we're going to go ahead and do a cement paint in a white color. So for our second step, we've come back the next day after the paint has dried, and we're going to go ahead and apply our stencil. So for this stencil, I've chosen two colors, more like a blackish gray color and then the white color that was used as the base. What I've done is I've mixed a little bit of white with the black to make kind of more of a gray color, and then I've made more of a light gray color. Next, I'm going to apply a chalk line. In this case, I used a blue. That way it's easier to see. The stencil is now applied using the chalk line as a guide. It's nice to take a coffee break and just sit back and look at everybody's beautiful work. Thanks for joining us on Tasteful Staging. If you enjoyed this how-to video, please subscribe on our YouTube and our Instagram.